Hello, I'm Judy Lovas, and I developed and teach the Relax and Restore classes at the Arthritis movement. These classes teach you very simple and evidence-based techniques to help relaxation, and in turn that relaxation we know can reduce the symptoms of chronic conditions like arthritis, pain, sleeplessness or fatigue, anxiety and depression. There's so much strong scientific evidence to support the efficacy of these very simple techniques. I teach you how to include these simple techniques into daily life without taking up too much time and really with not much effort. And the feedback has been wonderful, that people do experience a relief from their pain, can get back to sleep a bit better, and generally have a better quality of life. The classes give you ways of relaxing, so you will experience relaxation in each of these classes. There's classes once a week for 6 weeks. You'll experience relaxation, and you'll also learn how to use these very simple relaxation skills for when you know that there's going to be stress in your life. So lots of advantages to taking this course. I'm delighted to be working with the Arthritis movement and offering these incredibly effective, evidence-based and simple skills to enhance your health and to reduce the impact of these chronic conditions. Jump onto the Arthritis Movement website and you'll be able to enroll into Relax and Restore. And I look forward to seeing you in the classes.